Oh, way to go, getting better. Fast to begin, Bianca's Fantasy, Exceptional Angel. Dennis Song is running down on the inside, getting better. From the outside, Exceptional Angel. In the middle is Bianca's Fantasy, Dennis Song. Also coming into the picture, rounding the far turn, Exceptional Angel, Bianca's Fantasy, fighting it out for the lead. Getting better is running down on the inside, Danny Song. As they race the last 500, Exceptional Angel, Bianca's Fantasy, getting better, Danny Song. As they race the final corner, Exceptional Angel from the outside, Bianca's Fantasy down on the inside, getting better, Danny Song is on the farther outside. Exceptional Angel, Bianca's Fantasy, getting better, is on the outside. Bianca's Fantasy, Exceptional Angel, and finally, Exceptional Angel. Bianca's Fantasy getting better, and Dennis Song.
Okay, what